You know, when it comes to being excited about digital transformation in healthcare, I think one of the key areas that is extremely exciting is how we can actually digitize information in a way that we can then in turn pull it together and create a story, the story of the patient and the story of the care journey, so that our patients and providers can actually come together in a very different way. We're all wired for story, so how can we take all of that data that we're digitizing and actually create a story that actually facilitates the overall care and delivery of services to our patients? That's extremely exciting. It's at very early stages, and I think we're going to see a lot more coming from that. You know, in order to make innovation in healthcare more patient-centered, we have to first understand who our patients are, what their needs are, and how do we include what their needs are specifically into how we design and create innovative solutions to accommodate that. It's all about, you know, innovation isn't technology or just technology. Innovation is how do we actually meet the needs of our patients, our customers, or even just solve the problems that they're trying to solve, which is how do I become healthier? Well, that can take on a very different kind of approach depending on you as the patient. What do you need as a patient? How can I help you with that? So I think innovation has to start with the customer, the patient, and understanding them and actually what they're trying to accomplish, and then how can we actually help facilitate that. Then we're into areas where we can be extremely innovative in how we do that. I think the impact of AI in healthcare in the future can have a couple of things that really are super impactful. I'll go short-term and long-term. I think short-term is how do we automate some of the processes that right now are being done via human, not to replace the human, but really to enable that human to do different kinds of things. So how do we actually create, leverage AI to facilitate workflow so that the patient-physician or the clinician and patient interaction is actually more impactful. So I think that's the short-term component. I think in the long term, I think we're going to be able to leverage artificial intelligence in decision-making more so. And so while we go into automation first, and automating processes, I think we'll start to automate decisions as a result of that. I think one of the most unique things about the Health Impact Conference is the ability to pull information experts, technology experts, patient experts in a way that really is focused in on how do we actually have an impact? How do we pull together what we can uniquely bring to the table from different disciplines and perspectives to actually make an impact on overall health of of the patients that we serve, and that's extremely exciting. It's always exciting to be collaborating with other experts in their field and begin to kind of push the envelope on what's possible, because we can't be experts in all things. So it's great to really bring that expertise to the table and begin to learn from one another and share, and then actually, you know, create some very unique and new and interesting solutions to better impact health.